don't usually come on Snapchat much and show you guys much on here, but tonight I'm going to show you guys my cleansing stick because it's 25% off right now and it's pretty amazing. So we're going to do this and it's going to blow your mind. Are you ready? Okay, so you're going to pop both of the little caps off, first one and the second one, wherever it goes, and then you're going to twist up the little stick, and it's like an emollient is what they call it. So then you're just going to rub that right on your eyeballs, like right in the lashes. Don't be shy. I kind of want to leave my eyebrows on, so we are going to leave the eyebrows on. Put some in there, you know, be nice and generous. See? Okay, we're going to do that. We're going to take off my eye makeup. I'm wearing the Waterproof Epic Mascara. So we're taking off waterproof eye makeup right now. So we're going to let this sit on here for like a minute or two. Sometimes I'll get, it's usually about like 1 minute, 30 seconds to 2 minutes. And then I'll be back. Okay, if you're super extra, if you feel like you need just a little bit more to scrub it off, I don't normally scrub mine, but lots of girls do. So if you want to do that, usually just rub down on your lashes. Just be careful because you don't want to be like rubbing it back and forth because then you're going to work it into your eyeball. So you see that? You just rub it down and you see how that's just dissolving all of that eye makeup. I only rub this down just to show you guys how well it works. Look, is that not crazy? Does that blow your mind? Okay, so it's been long enough. I have my trusty Shimmer and Shine washcloth, and it is warm. It's wet. If you would like one of your own, you can locate one of these gems at the Dollar Tree. It will be found in a tiny little square that you have to soak to undo. My kids love them. So we are just wiping it off. Warm washcloth. Warm washcloth. See how good that works? Is that crazy? Just wipe it. It gets all of your waterproof makeup off. Is that crazy? So if you need one of these in your life, I have a whole bunch on hand because we can never run out. So just send me a snap or send me a message, either way, and we'll get you all set up.